here's a new one on me. I've got a 2020 Tahoe with a backup camera inoperative. It's the first time I've seen this particular scenario play out, and probably the last time I ever see it too. This isn't a very common situation. Usually this scenario is pretty straightforward. You know, it's either the backup camera or maybe coax cable or HMI module, but this particular situation was kind of unique. So I started out by scanning it. I ended up having two codes that were relevant for the backup camera and went through testing for those. I decided to skip some steps and just go straight for trying to rule out the HMI bypass module. So this is swapping out the display cable with a test cable. And as you can see, it's still got the same issue. From there, I decided to try to bypass the bypass module altogether, going from the HMI module itself with the test cable straight to the display. So if it would have worked here, it would have been the bypass module, but as you can see, you still get the blue screen. So from that point, I decided to start testing the camera circuits, which is what I should have done to begin with, but hindsight. So I found out when the vehicle shifted into reverse, I'm not actually getting a reverse input circuit to the backup camera. So that circuit is also tied into the backup lamp circuit. So I decided to use a scan tool to command the backup lamps on. And I found out when you do that, you also don't have any backup lamps. So I don't even think the customer realized that. But from there, I had to start testing circuits to the underhood fuse block. So those lamps are provided power through a printed circuit board relay, which feeds this fuse right here. So I'm commanding the backup lamps on and testing for power at that fuse. Now I'm just trying to make sure my test light works. So yeah, this fuse right here should have power on, commanding it on, nothing. So I decided to just jump power to the circuit, see if all this stuff would work, if it received power. So first input's got power, backup lamps work, and the camera works. So I know if I can get power back there to the camera, it'll fix this issue. So you can't really test that printed circuit board relay like you do a traditional external relay. Um, I know the power and output side of it are good, so I wanted to test the control circuits for the relay. And the only way to really do that is to gain access to the connectors under the fuse block itself. There should be a ground circuit for one side of the control of the relay and the actual high side control coming from the BCM. So this is the ground circuit. It tested good. Got good continuity to ground. The control circuit from the BCM, I previously, before disconnecting the fuse block, back probed it and make sure there was something coming from the BCM, but to make sure the circuit isn't broken somewhere, I ohmed it out as well, and as you can see, it tested fine. So from this point, knowing that the external circuits for that printed circuit board relay are all intact and testing good, I was able to determine that that relay itself just isn't closing. So here I've got a brand new underhood fuse block. Just going to latch it in place real quick. And after I've got that in, can go ahead and test the system out. And we got backup camera. So backup camera inoperative because of bad underhood fuse box.